Last time you saw us, we were in the Adirondacks in New York on our way to Vermont in our teardrop camper. This morning we're driving to Stowe, Vermont to meet up with some more friends, ride a gondola over the trees, try some famous food in Vermont, and fit in as much fall as possible in Stowe, Vermont in one day.
We just woke up from night 2 of our camper and we are in Stowe.
And it is Josh's birthday today. Happy birthday.
We're in Stowe, Vermont, and we're gonna go explore Vermont today. We have to go shower, get changed. Luckily, we don't have to pack up too much in here because we're staying in the same campsite again tonight. So then we just have to load up in our car and head off to meet some friends.
If you missed our video yesterday, we hiked 13 miles instead of 10 miles. Definitely not what we were supposed to do. When I tell you I could not walk and still can barely walk, I am very much serious in saying that. I slept so well last night. My legs feel so much better. I literally thought that they were breaking. But we're excited to go experience Stowe with our friends on Josh's birthday. It's gonna be a fun time, but we need breakfast first. Ready to go to Stowe? We are starting our day at Woodland Baking and Coffee. This is a locally sourced bakery here in Stowe. Trying the Woodland swirl first.
That crunch.
It's like a flaky croissant with this orange cream inside. Normally I don't like orange things, but this like works so well together. Oh my gosh. With the coffee, dude, that's it. We've officially made it to Stowe Mountain Resort. We're about to head up this mountain on a gondola. This is gonna be so fun. We're meeting up with Corinne and Jeremy and their friends Patsy and Walter for this adventure. So there they are.
Let's do it.
The view from up here is insane.
The gondola's kind of loud.
The gondola is very loud, but the view is so cool. Oh my gosh, definitely worth it. Yeah, it was $35 a person to get up here in the gondola, but 100% worth it for this view, and I'm almost positive the restaurant view is gonna be so cool. The Cliff House sits on top of Mount Mansfield with panoramic views and floor-to-ceiling windows. It has an excellent menu, but we all ordered light because we knew we'd be eating like all day. We just found out we were on top of this observation deck. We just found out we can see Mount Washington from here, which is in New Hampshire, which is where we're going to be tomorrow. That blows my mind. That is insane that we can see the peak that we're going to be standing on top of tomorrow. We're not hiking it, we're driving up, but you know, that's so cool. The sign of a tourist attraction. Because we're here at peak season in fall, there's a lot of people. It is a tourist town in Stowe, Vermont, so just a heads up if you do plan on coming here during the fall peak season. We are pulling into Cold Hollow Cider Mill. I still have a hard time saying that. Just be warned, there's gonna be a lot of traffic. Oh my goodness. It is packed at Cold Hollow Cider Mill. Cold Hollow Cider Mill is packed. And I'm pretty sure it's for good reason because we're about to go hit up some good cider stuff. I'm also gonna buy some maple syrup because when in Vermont, am I right? It smells like a bakery, apple, donut, maple syrup heaven in this entire vicinity.
We're just gonna share one plate, right?
Oh yeah.
That one's really bubbly.
Okay, I'm going this way. Josh and I have deemed that our favorite is good altitude. Is good. What can I say? Cold Hollow Cider Mill has all your fall Vermont staples. Maple syrup, going with the amber pint. It is the most popular, I just learned. Hard ciders, which you just saw. Fresh apple cider that you can taste. This stuff is fresh.
Fresh out the apple. That face.
The best apple cider I've ever had. Tell the class, what's the difference between apple juice and apple cider?
Apple cider leaves in all the good parts. Everything. Apple juice is just the regular part of that, not the skin and stuff.
apples, jams, mustard, hot sauce, cheese, seasoning, other pantry items, gifts, and perhaps the most popular item, fresh, hot, homemade apple cider donuts.
We watch them just plop out a little dough. They're really soft.
They smell so good. This is the one thing I've been looking forward to the most while in Stowe.
Kind of like crispy on the one side, and then so soft. It's just compressive.
Oh my god, no, I love that.
It's not overly sweet at all. It tastes kind of like a pancake, but like a really good pancake.
I actually think this is one of my favorite donuts in the world.
In the world?
That I've ever had. I love apple cider donuts.
Yeah, I could definitely eat the second one.
Soft and pillowy, and it doesn't make you feel gross, like greasy and and smells so good.
Our next stop in Vermont, Ben & Jerry's factory, right? Or whatever this is.
Yeah. A lot of
long line.
Long line, of course, obviously. Here they have a Ben & Jerry's graveyard where all of their past flavors where they have discontinued them still exist.
They have wood spoons.
What does it feel like?
Feels like licking an envelope.
But how's the ice cream?
Ice cream's good, if I don't think about the spoons.
All right, Ben & Jerry's factory, what'd you think?
I mean, it was really, unless you're doing the factory tour, it was just like a Ben & Jerry's ice cream shop.
A big one.
A big, with a long line.
Very long line. Very long line. But the coffee ice cream was delicious.
All right, we're coming up on the main street of Stowe right now, where we're gonna check out some of the shops and burn off our ice cream.
Stowe has a charming small town feel, and it is gorgeous in the middle of the fall. It's also packed, be warned. You'll find just about everything here. Restaurants, gift shops, events, state parks that surround it, and more. We're heading into Laughing Moon chocolates. Try some of those chocolates. Oh, that's bright.
We getting hot chocolate? Apparently that's the thing to do. I took a bite of the wrapper. Well, that's some good chocolate, yo.
So good it almost makes you want to eat the wrapper.
But I didn't find the...
Sorry, what?
Homemade marshmallow. It's like a little marshmallow ice cube.
Verdict on the hot chocolate.
Really good. I think the marshmallows are the best part. They're homemade marshmallows. And they kind of just melt in your mouth if you drink it with the hot chocolate.
I think the hot chocolate is super rich and like smooth and dark is my best explanation, but really good for a cozy evening.
If you're super uber rich, this is the place for you. For us regulars, can't afford it.
And that's a wrap.